After more than 30 years of teaching, English teacher Marcus Indreika is headed towards retirement. And in his time here, he has made an indelible impact on both students and staff. And Indreika's wide variety of teaching always leaves students wanting more.
Other teachers are probably better in the classroom in terms of coming up with really super creative lesson plans. I'm more meat and potatoes, just kind of basic game plan that I run several different variations on. But I like working with kids individually and pushing them and trying to incentivize growth.
Mr. Indreika was always super enthusiastic in class, and he always had a lot of energy, and he kept things really interesting, and he always made sure that what we were learning wasn't just delivered to us. He wasn't just handing us a paper or sending us something on Google Classroom. We always talked through it, and he kept the learning really interesting and interactive.
Care and passion for students. I think that's the number one thing that Mark will be known for after he retires.
It's kind of bittersweet. I'm happy, but I'm also sad because this has been my life, and so sometimes people think, well, once I retire, now I can do what I finally want to do. Well, I've been doing what I want to do, so in that sense, trying to have to figure out something new is not necessarily appealing to me.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Abby Heverin.